Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I will be walking through the Tall Elephant 2023 launch. So let's get right in. We have the 2023 launch. I know a lot of you are a huge fan of the Tall Elephant brand, so I'm excited to walk through this. I did not purchase the little black box last year, but last year in the sense in 2022, but I did get a few of their accessories, which was sticker book and the Universe Speaks to You card. So both of them they're good. Okay, so here we have, I'm going to walk through all the images, then we'll go through the description if there's any additional details, and we'll talk about the price. Okay, so here we have, they are in their signature packing. So each of the product that comes in this little black box is wrapped up in this black paper. I think it looks really cool. And this time it comes with a customized box, so you can have your name, but it's a maximum of 10 characters, so keep that in mind. And you can add it. I'm not sure if it does look like it's in gold, so that's nice too. That's a nice addition. I love the boxes that planners come in, and I always use them to store my stationery products, and they look really cool. So it's kind of nice that this comes in a customized box, which is a nice touch. And it's actually amazing if you want to gift it to someone. I a lot of you message me and say that you want to buy that planner for your sister or your friend, so it's really nice to add their names while gifting it. And here we have, then these are the products. I love the aesthetics of this year's launch compared to the last year. I think it looks really nice with these botanical illustrations and these lifestyle illustrations, butterflies, dream catcher, and all of that. They look really nice. But the planner, I do notice that it is completely in black. So it's an interesting choice that all the accessories are quite colorful, but the planner is black. It's quite neutral. Okay, so there are quite a few accessories this year. And what do we have? We have a travel journal that is nice. I think the last year's, the 2022 one came with a travel journal too. Then you have a 2023 journal. Okay, so this time the planner and the journal are separated. The 2022 one, we had tiny ones, like you see the travel journal size notebook, so the journal also came in that size. There were dot grid plain ones. It was called a diary, the other one. So it came with a lot of tiny journals. This time it looks like it's a full size journal, so that's nice. I really like the color and the cover page of this journal. I don't know, I want to see what's inside. Then we have a ruler. Okay, that's interesting. I've been planning for quite some time, and I think there have been very few instances where I have used a ruler. But if you're using a journal and if you're using the travel journal and stuff, it's definitely unnecessary. So that's a great addition. You have a sticker book too. Last year's sticker book, what I found is I really liked it. Not compared to the other books, but if I had to individually look at this particular brand sticker book, I liked it, but I did not see myself using it a lot. So I want to see what's inside this. Then we have a self-care chapbook. Chapbooks, as far as I know, I've heard a couple of people using the word chapbooks, but it's actually used in terms of a brand. Chapbook is a brand wherein you upload pictures to their websites and they print in like photo books. So I don't know what this is exactly. It might be like a magazine or a guided journal too. Then we have greeting cards with, I don't know if it comes with envelopes or not, but this year I noticed a lot of the brands are doing greeting cards. So that's nice. I have started sending cards again. Never really stopped it, but I see myself doing it more than before. So having a couple of greeting cards handy is always nice. Then we have the desk calendar too. That looks nice. I don't know what the if it has boxes to write or if it has illustrations. So let's look at that a little bit later. Then you have a DIY bookmark, okay, a mini notebook. So you have this too. Then 2023 planner. It comes with so much stuff. I think if you're a first time user or if you just want to buy one particular brand, you're overwhelmed by the choices that are there in the market, this is just an all-in-one box. And I like the approach. That's nice. Okay, so we are into the planner. It looks quite overwhelming. There are a lot of designs, a lot of colors, but for someone who's not into decorating the planner, who do not have the time and who just want to like get into planning and journaling and all of that, this brand I feel is just absolutely perfect because it comes packed with decorative elements in the planner. Then you have some passwords, a movie library. Looks like it's very not the exact pages, but the like, you know, everything is filled. Like it comes with so many different spreads that you don't actually need anything else as long as you're getting this little black box. It's not so little, by the way, you know, considering there's so much packed in it. There's a lot. So bookshelf, read more books, then memory lane. This is somewhat nice. It's a lot of color though, but it's nice. Like I said, you don't need to add any other stickers. You don't even need to use color pens, I feel. There's just so much color. Yearly tracker, monthly cover pages. This is so nice. Then, and each page has a bordered design. Monthly calendar page. It is a Sunday start. If that's something that bothers you, keep that in mind. Then habit tracker, goals tracker. We have a gratitude journal monthly. I guess this is the monthly gratitude journal. This planner just comes with everything. Daily journal, oh my god, it's nice. I don't remember the last year's daily pages if it was lined or plain, but it looks quite good and clean because you will have to write a lot of stuff if you're quite busy, and it's nice that they've kept it a little bit minimal compared to the other spreads. Then finance tracker, happiness jar, emotions. It's just a lot to track. I'm interested to know those of you who used the or who are using the Tall Elephant Planner for 2022. What are your thoughts on this launch, as well as how have you been using it? Are you keeping up with all the trackers? Did you feel overwhelming? Did you give up? Or do you go in phases and do it once in a while and then not do it and then again go back to doing it? This is the review page, meal tracker. It just comes with every single thing that you need for your goals, your personal development, literally everything. Tear off lists. I love this. I don't remember which. I think Alicia Souza. It 1 year it had the tear off gift tags. I just love that feature. So it's nice that there's like tear off lists. I love this. And then this is the cover. This cover is quite it's quite different than what you're gonna get inside, but it's a nice contrast to, cover is quite minimal, but when you open it up, it's just filled with colors and lots of illustrations. Yearly tracker, monthly. Just a sec. Okay. I am confused. So these pages, I'm not really sure. Oh, okay. I think I get it now. So this 2023 journal that you see, this comes with all these colorful stuff because you see the pink border here. Okay, I think the planner is separate because if you see, it's a lot more minimal, muted down, and it has got black outline. Oops, it's got black outline. And okay, the cover pages on these are quite minimal and nice. Oh, the daily pages in that might be for journaling. It is like you're getting two planners. I think one you can use for personal development, for journaling and keeping track of your goals and all that. And then this one, you can use it for either your work or your day-to-day tasks in terms of planning. Okay, that's cool. This is a lot more minimal. I think I prefer this one much more than that. Then we have the sticker book. I wish that shown a lot more pages, or I'm not really sure if they've kept it quite minimal and to the point. And another thing that I feel is, okay, I'll come back to that point later. Anyways, sticker book cover looks beautiful. Okay, the stickers look nice too. The colors are quite muted down, which I really like. That's nice. And travel journal. Oh, I like this travel journal. It's nice. It looks so simple, and but at the same time, it has all the things that you need: emotions, activity, meal tracker, expenses, gratitude, packing list. It is so nice. This is so nice. Desk calendar. Okay, desk calendar, you have spaces to write, and the illustrations have gone at the background. Then you have a mini notebook, you have greeting cards. Okay, this is the envelope of the cards, so you can send it by post too. And this one is greeting cards. So we have quite a few to pick from here. Thank you, Christmas, so festivities, celebrations. Okay, this looks nice. Then we have a self-care chapbook, or okay, it is a letter pad. Oh, it is like notes pages, like a notepad. It's nice. Okay, bookmarks, DIY bookmarks, scale. Okay, I think we are done through the images. There's just a lot of stuff that is packed. Initially, when I opened up this page and I saw the price, I felt like, whoa, it's a lot. But then looking at what you're getting here, I think it's worth it, to be honest, because it's almost like you're getting two planners. And you can give it to your partner, your friend, your sibling, and the other one you can use. That is nice. And there is lots of accessories if like two people want to buy this and share it. I think it would be it's quite feasible too, and that is nice. I just want to see if there are any additional description that we have missed. Journal, planner, sticker book. Okay, so these are the launch freebies, and if I'm not mistaken, today is the last day of the launch. I think that's right. So we have all the medicine history. Okay, this is quite good. It comes packed, and it's nice because last year the planner was quite thick, so it's good that they have divided it into two things. One you can just keep for your personal development, and the other one for your planning and organization. Okay, so there are some additional benefits that you are going to get too. One is the Tall Elephant Journaling community group, which is nice. You can join that group, and access to live sessions from our founder Kripalini on staying on track of journaling consistently. This is cool too, because if you have bought it and if you're struggling to keep up with it, I think that's great. Then irresistible discounts on your future purchases. Okay, then free access to an interactive session on how to set up your journaling kit. Awesome. Shipping will start in early November. Then no COD in case of damaged. They're going to replace it. Accessories and props. Okay, the cameras and stuff, these are not part of the thing. I think they meant by these. Okay, this is great. I'm pleasantly surprised by what's coming inside this box. So it's priced at 3699, which is the launch price. The full price is 4499. I think personally for me that might be a bit much, 4499 spending on a planner box. 3699, considering what you're getting, I think it's a pretty good price. I'm interested to know if you are going to be purchasing this or not, and also just your generic thoughts about this launch. I'm really interested to know what you guys think. And for me, I think I'll be skipping this year. I purchased a lot of brands last year, and I'm interested to see what they come out with. If something doesn't really match my needs, then probably I might come back to this. So I'm gonna put this on hold for now, the purchase. I know I might be spending a little bit more, but I feel it's worth the risk because I want to know what other brands are coming up with, especially the ones I love, which is, the last year's Botanical Story Planner. I love it. I also purchased the Ink Bouquet one. So I'm just excited to see what, especially the Botanical Story and Tatiana. I want to see what they come up with, and then I will make a decision. Awesome, guys. Let me know what you think about this launch, and I will see you in my next video.